DigitalOcean is essentially a cloud computing platform specifically built for developers. There are a lot of other cloud providers out there, but when we started off, one of the problem areas that we found was that a lot of these solutions were pretty ambiguous and difficult for most developers and startups to use. So we thought that, hey, that's a niche that we could play in. So since then, we've kind of built this solution that's loved by developers worldwide. But I think this is my first time at TechSparks, and I think it's kind of lived up to the hype and expectations that most people have had of the event. It's been a great turnout, I think very well organized. And day one, like you mentioned, I think was exciting. Looking forward to day two as well.
I think it's really amazing because the thing is there's so many companies we can see. I mean, we can get more opportunity. When India comes up here, they check with our softwares.
We help them digitize their business and grow their business and manage everything, give them smart tools to manage everything that a small business would typically need, from payments to inventory to value-added services.